Hi, I'm Batist from Azumuta, and today I will be talking to you about how to make a work instruction with Azumuta and with AI. So first of all, I mounted a webcam over here. I will be filming what I'm doing over here, and then a work instruction will be created automatically from this video. Let's get started. So first of all, I record the video with Azumuta. The first step is that I take the bracket and place it on top of the other brackets. Make sure that the hole is aligned with the fan of the circuit below. Then, as a next step, I take a screw and put it in the right top corner like this. Okay, then take the next screw and put it in the opposite corner like this. As a next step, I take a screw and put it in the left top corner like this. And then finally, the last screw, I put it in the lower right hand corner like this. I press stop capture and I click process. And now the AI takes the video and starts creating a new digital work instruction from it. So what it's doing is it's taking all the information, all the video, all the audio from it, and it will automatically segment the video into the correct steps. It will create the text from it, but also like the video that was recorded, it will add each video segment to the correct step. So as you can see, it's processing the video here, and there are 6 steps being detected. They are also created in multiple languages, so all the languages that are available in my configuration here will be automatically translated into them. And if I go to the preview here, I can see the complete work instruction. So take the bracket and place it on top of the other brackets, and so on, and I can see the full work instruction here. As you can see, I take the screw and put it in the left top corner. It immediately shows you the correct video that belongs to that step exactly. And that's how easy it is to create a video with AI in Azumuta. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.